My people, it is looking like all is not well in the camp of Ahmed Bola Tinubu ever since he announced the Muslim ticket with Shetima. It's been going left since then. It's been from one bars to bows, people exposing him. He even has one quanta with the UK government that exposed all his drug deals and everything he had done in the past, coupled with all this bishop Wahala that he created for himself, by employing fake bishop to show up at the unveiling of Shetima. Before we go ahead to the details of today's news, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Hit the like button, most importantly, click on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we post a new video. Without further ado, let's dive straight into the details of today's news. A federal high court in Abuja on Thursday granted permission to a civil rights organization under the aegis of Incorporated Trustees of Center for Reform and Public Advocacy to apply for order of mandamus that will compel the Inspector General of Police to prosecute the presidential candidate of the All Progressive Congress, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, over alleged perjury. Justice Nyang Eko granted the leave while delivering ruling in an ex parte application argued by the group's lawyer Ungo Nwofo. The ex parte application was filed by the organization following the alleged refusal of Inspector General of Police Usman Baba to arrest and prosecute Tinubu for allegedly supplying false information on oath in respect of his educational qualifications. Nwafo, while moving the application, informed Justice Eko that it's predicted on the role of a federal high court to first obtain permission of a court before proceeding with a suit seeking order to compel the police chief to carry out his constitutional duties. Justice Eko, in a brief ruling, held that the expert application was meritorious and subsequently granted it. The judge fixed November 1st for hearing of a substantive suit. The main suit, dated and filed on July 4 by the group, has the Nigerian Police Force and the Inspector General of Police as first and second respondent. The CSOs said the suit against the police was necessitated by the IG's refusal to take action on its petition against Tinubu over an offense it claimed the presidential candidate was indicted on by the Lagos State House of Assembly in 1999. The applicant maintains that by Section 214 and 215 of the Constitution and Section 4 of the Nigerian Police Act 2020, the police have statutory responsibility to prevent, detect, and investigate criminal allegations, whether brought to their notice by individuals, person or persons, corporate bodies, or institutions, etc. Consequently, the applicant in the suit is asking the court for an order of mandamus compelling the respondent to comply with sections 31 and 32 of the Police Act and section 3 of the Criminal Justice Act 2015 in respect of alleged crime laid out in complaint of the applicant encapsulated in the letter of June 16, 2022, received by the respondent on the same date, entitled Demand for Criminal Prosecution of Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu under sections 191, 192, and 463 of the Criminal Code Act, Law of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004, consequent upon the findings of the Lagos State House of Assembly Ad hoc Committee, 1999. The applicant claims that by Section 31 of the Nigerian Police Act, the respondents are duly bound to investigate alleged crime brought to them and report their findings to the Attorney General of a federation or of a state, as the case may be, for legal advice. The applicant, in its petition to the IGP, claims that Tinubu lied on oath in his Form CF001 is submitted to INEC in aid of his qualification for the governorship election in Lagos State in 1999. Here is the breakdown. In 1999, Ganifa Wemi sued Tinubu for lying under oath pertaining to his educational qualification, And then in 1999, that was when Tinubu was vying for the post of Lagos State governor. Then the suit was thrown away. I don't think anything did not come out of that suit. And now again is running for president. And then this group now went to dig out, the history and discovered that there has been a suit in 1999 which did not go anywhere. Okay, let us take it from there. The IGP must be able to prosecute this person for lying under oath. So this is what this NGO is dragging, that how can a person lie under oath and then you are not doing anything about it, even when it was brought to your notice? So this group are now filing a suit against the IGP, but because Inspector General of Police, they are the one that are supposed to, prosecute and, make sure that these people are brought to book. They didn't do that. So there's one suit against him, and there's also another suit against Bola Ahmed Tinubu himself for lying under oath. These people are not letting this matter lie. They are not letting this matter just go like that. They are referring to 1999 when Gani Fawemi filed that suit, and they are also filing another suit against Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We are going to see what is going to come of this, because enough of all these politicians not having any educational qualification, but they will just go and manufacture, maybe it's in a bar market, no one knows, manufacture and just bring something to us and say they went to this school when actually they didn't. We are going to see what's going to happen if at last is going to become our president. We've seen this happen so many times, so it's not new. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.